The scene opens in a hotel lobby, where an intoxicated woman is shouting and arguing with the hotel staff. Her speech is slurred and difficult to understand, but her frustration is clear. She's becoming increasingly disruptive, demanding something from the staff.
Ma'am, you need to leave.
Hi, police!
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
Oh, you look so sassy.
They asked you to leave, alright, so you need to
I'm
go.
not leaving.
You're being trespassed.
I'm not leaving until you show the video of what they've done to me.
You trespass, you need to leave.
I'm not trespassing. I paid for this fucking room tonight. Okay. Show the video.
A police officer enters the lobby, approaching the woman calmly, but with authority. He informs her that she's been trespassed from the property and needs to leave. The woman, visibly angry, crosses her arms and refuses, demanding to see a video of what she claims happened to her.
I own the district attorney of New York, and I'm from New York.
That's good.
You show what they've done to me. He practically raped me. Go back and show the video. I'm going to district attorney.
Can you please start the SWAT?
I'll show the SWAT.
Okay.
Ow!
Don't touch me.
And you won't touch me.
Stop.
Dude, you're so done because I have a fucking broken clavicle.
We're going to have to get her,
Wait till you see who I call.
her purse, though.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, fat
I'm gonna get her
face.
first really quick.
Go ahead, fat
What?
I'm gonna get her
face.
first really quick.
Go ahead, fat face. Cause you're done. You're gonna get fired. Just so you know.
You're going to jail.
They raped me. I don't give a fuck if I go to jail. You live in jail, you fat fucking face.
Despite the officer's repeated requests for her to leave, she escalates further, shouting insults and accusations at both the officer and the hotel staff. Her defiance grows, and she begins to challenge the officer's authority, insisting she doesn't care if she goes to jail.
Chubby face.
What's happening?
Chuck E.
I'm
Cheese.
your mother.
No, get away. I don't fucking care. His fat fucking Chuck E. Cheese face.
Cool. You're in jail.
I don't
to
care.
jail.
Do I look like I care?
You will when you get in there.
I don't care.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
will when you
strip
get in
naked
there.
and show all the shit to everybody.
Sarasota County Jail.
Mom, leave me alone. La 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 la. He's a fat fucking
We
face.
have to make sure we get his info, obviously.
Hi, kids. Don't get in trouble with these fat fucking face, huh? Wait till you find out I'm out in an hour. I know every fucking district attorney in New York and up. I'm gonna show my tits to you and then send it to you.
It's all on Bodycam.
Woo! Don't
Yep.
touch me. You know what? I have a broken fucking shoulder, so do it again. Try it again. Rip my shoulder open again. And you're done, fat face. What about you? What are you? Oh my god, look at this one. Shut the fuck up. Do you know
Perfect.
what they're... Hey, do you know what they're doing to this
I don't care.
Of course you don't, because you're a cop. You don't give a fuck. You just want your points.
My points.
Your points. Yeah. It's the end of the month. Let's freaking pull people over. They are raping
Well,
girls
I
in
told him to
there.
start this way because he was dispatched.
They are raping girls in there, you dumb fat fuck. Do you care? What if it was your daughter? Your wife?
Jail.
The officer, maintaining control, calls for backup. A second officer arrives, and together they move to escort the woman out of the building. She resists, stumbling and shouting, but her movements are sluggish from intoxication. The officers calmly guide her toward the door, and once outside, they place her in the back of a patrol car. She continues shouting from the vehicle as the officers drive away.
I don't care. I'm gonna take off my pants and show my vagina. And then you'll care.
All right. Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
Like what?
Anything that could hurt me potentially.
Get off me, you fat fucker.
Come on. Do you have anything on me that could hurt me?
Oh, perfect. Get his info.
No?
Not you, because you're fucking pretty.
Thank you. All right. Well, I gotta
Get
search.
this fat fucker off
He's
me.
just holding you for my safety.
Are you
so,
gonna have
do you have
with me?
No.
I would love it because you're fucking gorgeous.
Well, thank you, but I don't think my fiance would appreciate that.
Well, I don't give a fuck what he says.
All right,
He
you have
probably
to-
love it.
Oh
after
boy.
he's done with it. Get that fuck up.
He's got to hold you while I search you real quick.
Bye, fat fuck. So you don't want if you wanted to. Hey, can we get this guy back? Hey, baby.
Can you switch with me real quick? Can you switch with me real quick, Ridge?
No, it's called
After
fucking.
warning.
It's called fucking. Can you go home? Does your wife make you your helper? How much you got? Because that's all you're worth. Hey,
Okay, we're good.
you're fucking awesome. She wants
This- Should we slip out of that?
That's not even fucking hurt. I can get out of this in 5 minutes. I'm just
Okay.
gonna tell you.
Well, that's fine.
I was an investigator in New York. So
Oh, wow.
just put me in the back. Put me in the back. I'll be out in 5 minutes.
Okay.
And my ex-husband was a sheriff investigator. And I had 3 cops in Syracuse who will bring you down.
Is this one? Take this one
See,
too.
I
Is that,
want
no.
you to... And when I tell the freaking cops, more than telling me that you're fucking
Be tighter now.
has freaking
They should be
pulled my
good now.
pants
She's
down
fine.
and fucking tried to rape me, I'll be out.
Who's taking her, you guys?
I'm taking myself.
All right.
Woo!
All right, go ahead and gotta hop in.
Don't touch my purse. You stole my money. He stole my money.
No, all on Bodycam didn't steal anything.
You did. You just stole it. Don't touch my shoulder or I'm going to med. I'm going to the hospital. Do you have a girlfriend? I think you're gay. You're gay. He's gay, totally.
Okay, hop in.
What does it have to do with anything? You're going to jail.
Doesn't
So,
I don't fucking. That's the point. You don't think I
All
care.
right, go ahead and hop in,
I
please.
don't care
don't
at
care
all. I can't get out. I need assistance.
all right.
Keep caution on my wrist, dude.
Well, we gotta help you up. You can.
Keep caution on my wrist, gay boy.
All right, go ahead, slide in.
I want my purse back.
We're
If
gonna,
he's
yes,
stealing
I'm
money.
gonna take it and put it
I
in the car.
like you, but fat face, he's
Okay,
stealing
well,
my
slide
money.
in for me. That's fine. We'll
I
slide
bought
in.
him money in the purse. I want it back.
I will get
And
the
he has
purse.
no
That's
dick.
fine.
He's gay.
I will get the purse. Slide in so I can seatbelt you, please.
You want lesbian sex? Him fucking beautiful. And he's with that
Thank you.
fucking face.
All right. Well, I gotta just seatbelt you in, okay?
I don't give a fuck. The bartender and the dude. Same here with the sister. I can get out of this fucking. You know who my ex-husband was?
Oh,
I'm out of here in no time.
all right.
She was booked and everything. We don't know when she'll be released. It might be tonight. Yeah.
Okay.
So if she comes back, just give us a call. Because I know her mom still stays here.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully she starts to like sober up.
And they have a reservation over at the Westin tomorrow.
Okay.
So I just got off the phone with Westin saying,
Give them a heads up.
yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Daughters don't have any alcohol.
Right.
Back inside the lobby, the staff and guests return to their business, relieved the disturbance is over. The officers, having resolved the situation without incident, return to their patrol car and leave the scene. She was charged with trespassing.